Okay, so in this video, we will get to know how to reset your how to reset your router, Cisco router password when in case of you forgot your login credential. Okay, so before that, we need to know about the way of you know the way of boot process of the any Cisco device. So as we already discussed about this. Just a minute, let me find the. Okay, so how it is working, how it is booting. First, it is checking the power on self test. Okay, then it is checking to uh, ROM, and then it is checking to flash, and this is checking to
Yeah.
NVRAM, and it is checking to RAM. Right.
Oh, right. Yeah. Yes, sir.
So, kind of any router, switch, any firewall, any laptop, desktop. First is power on self test. First meaning is a power on self test. Whenever you're turning on this device, it will check before booting. It will check their component, all the component like RAM, hard drive, BIOS. Each and every component is working properly or not. It will check first. Okay.
Okay.
So once it is finalized and it is everything is fine and fine, everything is working fine. Okay. Then it will go to the ROM. ROM is contain. ROM contain that mini iOS. Mini iOS is nothing but it is our like a BIOS in our desktop laptop for the setting purpose, right?
Yes.
Mini iOS is helping us to reload the to find the iOS. iOS is contained by the flash memory, right?
Yes, sir.
So once ROM, ROM will help to find the flash, but directly flash router or switch will directly not take the flash and boot the device. Not like that. It will directly move to the before loading the iOS. It will check the NVRAM. NVRAM is contain the configuration file, configuration register or configuration utility, we can say. If you're having any existing configuration or not, that is checking into the NVRAM. If it is fine anything, then it will reload with the iOS and it send it to the RAM. Okay. If it is not in anything NVRAM, it will directly reload to iOS. Okay.
Okay.
So by default, when it is fine, it is running, everything is fine. Then our configuration register value is at 2102. Correct. When we are turning on our device, okay, when we are turning on our device, so at that time we are to get the BIOS console. During the restart of our laptop or desktop, we are placing like control plus F2 or F11, right, for the BIOS mode. So in the same kind of thing, we will change our 2142. Means we will directly give the command to the router or switch. That router or switch, you don't need to you don't need to what you don't need to do a check of NVRAM before, without checking the NVRAM. You directly boot with the iOS whatever you are having. Okay, in case of you forget the password, we are doing like this. Okay, got it.
Yes, got it, sir.
So now we need to take the one router, any router you can check. Let me take this router and just restart this router. Okay. Yeah, it is asking. So enable configuration terminal, host name I'm giving it the firewall cafe. Okay, then I need to interface do so IP interface brief. So we have a 0 by 0 interface gigabit 0 by 0 IP address 1.1.1.1.255.255.255.0. No sir, no. I'm just going to configure these things only because to show you, okay, that our previous
Okay.
configuration, the existing configuration. Okay, this is not a mandatory. Exit and write this configuration. Okay, Before writing, we need to create one password. Enable secret. My password is a 123. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now exit and save it. For the save, we have a config, copy running configuration to the startup configuration. That is the one command, or else you can directly do the write command. Both are same. Now exit and exit. Now just assume you forgot the password. Enable.
Okay.
It will ask the password, right? And I forgot the password. In that case, how I will retrieve my password, or how I can change my password? So in that case, I just need to you know I just need to go with the firewall, the router, and there is a power on off button. Okay, I just need to restart the device, and it will reboot. The device will reboot. Okay, just restart the device and go to the CLI mode. The device will boot. Okay, in this during the boot process, we just need to press Control plus break button. Okay, so it will directly uh, you know directly push us to the Roman mode. Okay,
Okay.
so Roman mode, after this you just need to make a question mark. This is a boot, this is a config, this is a directory checking, this is a help, this is a reset, set, and TFTP and DNLT. So we will just check the config, and after that TFTP NLT, and another in upcoming classes. Well, I will upload. Okay. So today is our concept is to reset the password. So our config. Okay. So I'm just giving this router. I'm giving this command to the router, that configuration register utility. Config means configuration register utility. Check it, do it one like 2142. Okay, instead of 2102, you can directly without checking the nvram, you can boot yourself. Okay,
Okay.
hit enter and reload or reset. Okay, the device will again boot. Okay,
Okay.
so this time device will bypass the nvram. Okay, and it will directly boot. Enable. It is asking the password. Any? No password, right?
No. Yes, sir.
So running configuration, or not running configuration. So startup configuration. So what we changed the host name in previously before restart. This was the firewall cafe, right? What was the IP address?
No,
One one
no.
one,
Yeah.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
running config. So now anything. What is the host name? It is a new, right? Without restoring the nvram, it is restarted with the reloaded with the iOS only. Okay.
Okay.
So now what we will do, configuration, configuration terminal. This time I will change my password. Okay, enable secret. Instead of 123, I will keep 1234. Hit enter. Now I'll tell the firewall configuration register value. I'm changing. Earlier it was 2142, right?
Yes.
So now I will give them a firewall that you can reset by 2102. Okay, reload with the nvram also. Okay,
Okay.
so if you want, you can do, before that I will do one thing. Copy whatever I'm having. Copy startup config, whatever I'm having in the my nvram. I'm just copying it here and I'll save it. Okay, config, startup config, and copy to running configuration. Okay, it is done. Now
Okay.
go to the configuration terminal, and if you forgot your password, if you're not sure, again you can, if you want, you can reset. Otherwise, no need to reset. You just simply do what you need to do. Configuration register value 2102. Okay, I'm asking my firewall, the device router, exit and WR. Okay, and reload, restart. Yes, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now it will check. Now this time during the boot process, it will check what, it will check their nvram and it will restart it. Okay, enable. It is asking the password, right? The password which you
Yes.
sent 1234, use this. Okay, and
Okay.
this time it will not ask anything. Okay,
Yes.
So if you wanted to do copy startup config to running config, again you can do yes, yes, okay, right, exit, enable 1 2 3 4, okay, done.
Okay.
So this is the way how you're going to reset your router. We have a we will do a switch also, but switch is
Okay.
having a different way, okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm just stopping this recording.